Hello everyone. The topic for today is Oliver Finds a Home. This is Riya Banerjee, and I'm going to begin the chapter Oliver Finds a Home written by Charles Dickens. This is a famous extract from the novel Oliver Twist, where the lead character or the protagonist Oliver is an orphan, and what he comes across in his life, that's the basic story plot of the novel. Okay, so let's try to understand who is Oliver, how does he find a home, and did he really get a family. Let's see how we can understand the story as we are going to read. So this is from the book Raindrops 5, written by Charles Dickens. Let's begin the story Oliver Finds a Home. This is an extract from the novel Oliver Twist. Oliver, who is an orphan, runs away from the orphanage where he is ill treated and lands in a den of thieves. Okay, so in the orphanage where he was earlier, he was ill treated, means misbehaved, and he finally, unfortunately, landed in a den of thieves. The thieves take Oliver to rob a house, but are stopped by the servants. They ran away, leaving a wounded Oliver behind. So the thieves planned to rob a house, a big house rather, and unfortunately they were stopped by the servants. Whereas when once they realized that they can be caught, so they left Oliver, who was wounded, they left behind little Oliver, and unfortunately the servants took him into the house. Next, what happened to Oliver? Let's understand. Section 1. In the dining room of the big house, two ladies were sitting at the breakfast table. Mr. Giles, now neatly dressed in a black suit, was waiting upon them. It means that Mr. Giles was serving the food to the two little ladies. One of the ladies was old. The other was a lovely young girl of 17. So, who were the two ladies? The two ladies were definitely the people of the house. They were having their breakfast once Mr. Giles was serving them, and at that moment, one of the ladies was the older one, and the another one was a 17-year-old lovely young girl. Brittles has been gone a long time, the old lady said to Giles, Sir Giles. Giles pulled out his watch. An hour and 13 minutes, ma'am. At that moment, a carriage stopped at the garden gate. A fat gentleman got out of it. He hurried into the room. I never heard of such a thing, he exclaimed in excitement. My dear Mrs. Smiley, my dear Miss Rose, what a terrible shock for you. Oh, please, Dr. Losberne, will you come upstairs and look at the poor creature? Rose begged. So, by this introduction, so for Mrs. Maylie and Miss Rose is the 17-year-old young girl, and Mrs. Maylie was the older woman. Okay, so Dr. Losberne is the name of the doctor who came to treat the poor creature. Remember, here Oliver is mentioned as the poor creature. Of course, said the doctor. Will you show me the way, Giles? Giles led the doctor to the patient. The doctor remained in the patient's room for a long time. A large flat box was fetched. Out of his carriage, the bell in the bedroom was rung again and again. The servants went hurrying up and down the stairs. At last, the doctor came to the dining room to speak to the ladies. Okay, so this is all about in the first page of the story. So, the Dr. Losberne went there and wanted to treat Oliver. Of course, said the doctor, will you show me the way, Giles? So, he was going to the room of Oliver. Giles led the doctor to his patient. His patient means definitely Oliver. The doctor remained in the patient's room for a long time. A large flat box was fetched out of his carriage, obviously where he used to keep his instruments there. The servants went hurrying up and down the stairs. So all the servants who were there, they were hurrying to go up and down the house. So let's see. This is an extraordinary thing, Mrs. Maylie, he said. He is not in danger, I hope, the old lady said. No, he will be well again in a week or two. The doctor informed them. Then he asked them, "Have you seen this thief?" "No." "Hasn't Giles told you anything about him?" "No." "Would you like to see him if I come with you?" "Yes, I would like to. And I would like Rose to come as well, if she will." The doctor took the ladies upstairs to Giles' room. Well, as it was already introduced in the story, that Oliver came along with some other thieves, and the thieves left him in the house. He was wounded. So the doctor realized that he was a thief. And the family, they were concerned about the health of Oliver, who is actually a thief. They were concerned. So Mr. Giles and Dr. Losburn, along with Mrs. Mealy and Rose, went there. So today I'm concluding up to here. We will continue with the next part in the next video.